Hey everyone, Notion just released a new feature called Notion AI. With this AI feature, you'll be able to create blog posts, write essays, brainstorm ideas, and do much more. Hope most of you might be aware of what Notion actually is. If not so, it is a productivity note taking app which goes all the way from simple note taking to project tracking, task management, and so on. With this new AI feature, we can now say that Notion is not just a simple note taking app anymore. This AI feature is available to public with 40 responses for free. And if you want to continue using this AI feature right into your Notion workspace, then you need to buy a subscription. And in this video, we are going to look into a few glimpses of how to use this Notion AI right into your Notion workspace and see how we can increase our productivity. Therefore, without any further delay, let's directly dive into the video and get started. To get started with Notion AI, you can just simply type Ask AI. Here we have list of options to choose from. You can go for brainstorming your ideas, or create a blog post, or write an essay, and so on. Say for example, let's click this create blog post, and you can just simply type write blog post about mobile app development and hit enter. And you can see the magic. You can just sit back and relax, wherein Notion AI is doing the hard work in creating the content for you. And here you can see that within fraction of seconds, it is able to create a blog post for me. Just the same way, let me ask AI to brainstorm ideas on Flutter app development. Here you can see that it has provided with few points about brainstorming ideas on Flutter, and it is not over yet. Let me now ask AI about the pros and cons about Flutter and React. It has provided individual pros and cons for Flutter as well as React Native. Here let me ask AI to write an email about the launch of new product. As you can see that the Notion AI just came up with a highly professional email regarding the launch of our product. And it's not over. You can just select this email and ask AI to translate to Japanese. So you can see that this Notion AI is capable enough to do almost all the stuff that is beyond what it is expected. So this is a few examples of how this Notion AI works. And let me know them in the comments below what do you think of this Notion AI. And for more such awesome productivity videos, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I will see you again in the next one.